Hello and welcome back. It's Mr. Chang here. Today we are going to show you how to make Chinese takeaway fried rice at home. This is the way Chinese restaurants make your fried rice. It has to be made fast, it has to be made easy, especially on the weekend when there's 30 or 40 people queuing outside. They want their rice and they want it fast. All you're going to need for this recipe is some MSG, also known as Achimoto. It's a flavor enhancer used in Chinese food. Some dark soy sauce. We need dark soy sauce to color the rice. Light soy sauce is of no use. Some sugar, some salt, some eggs. I have about 3 eggs here, and a tablespoon of oil, and of course your boiled rice. You'll also need a pair of gloves like these, preferably plastic. It's easy to work with the rice when you've got plastic gloves. The rice will just slide off them. Start off by putting some dark soy sauce over your rice like this. Next, we're going to go in with some MSG. It's a flavor enhancer. This is what makes you want to eat more and more Chinese. Have you ever had Pringles crisps? Once you pop, you can't stop. It's full of MSG. That's why you keep eating them. A tiny amount of sugar to sweeten it up, and then we're going to put in some table salt. I'll leave all the measurements in the description box below. Start off by putting your hand down flat on top of the rice. Use the palm of your hand to spread the soy sauce around. Next, we're going to go in with a tablespoon of vegetable oil. This will stop the rice sticking together in big clumps. Just use your both hands to work in the oil and the soy sauce and all the MSG and everything you've just put in there. Give all that a good rub together. You can just use your 2 hands and rub them together, and that'll break up all the rice. You want to colour all the rice. You want to do this until all the rice is brown and there's no white grains left. This is only going to take you a minute. If there is any white balls of rice, just break them up, rub your hands, and they'll darken with the soy sauce. Keep doing this until your rice looks like this and you're ready to cook. There's another clump. We'll just break that one up. There we go. Give that a good mix and heat up your pan. Now we're going to need a good amount of vegetable oil here, because after all it is fried rice. That's what it is. We fry it in oil. Once your wok is smoking hot, and I mean hot, let it smoke, let it get as hot as you can get it. Then we're going to go in with the fried rice that you've just made. This is only going to take seconds. Make sure you watch this until the end. If you like this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share, please. You have probably noticed the eggs to the right hand side of the wok. Now I didn't show you how to prepare the eggs, because all it is scrambled eggs. I mean, it's eggs in a cup, whisked up and thrown into a pan, taken out again. If you don't know how to make scrambled eggs, then you may forget about it. This cooking channel is not for you. In fact, cooking's not for you if you don't know how to cook an egg. The fastest way to do this is use the flat end of your spatula. Use it and spread all the eggs round. This will do it quickly. Give it a good mix. You want to mix in the eggs with the rice evenly. Flip it if you know how. If you don't, it doesn't really matter. And there you have it, more or less the easiest, fastest way to make Chinese takeaway fried rice at home. If you like this video, again, please don't forget to like, share and subscribe and leave a comment. Not many people are leaving comments these days, and I'm cooking these stupid videos for your entertainment. Thank you for watching, and I will see you probably tomorrow again.